Alright, I'm back. That mosquito already bit me and it's already turning red. What the fuck? Ain't with that shit. The fuck? Alright. Okay, guys, see me? Cool. See, I turned red and it bit me. Let me hurry up and smoke a little bowl. Go. Please don't start with a win. K. Namaste. 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 Alright. I could save me a bowl for later. I'm smoking a lot these days. I smoke too much. No, bitch, you don't smoke. Roger that. Roger that. The only downfall I have with Starbucks over here is no Wi-Fi. And all Starbucks are prominent to have good fucking Wi-Fi. That's why you go to Starbucks for that freaking Wi-Fi. Fuck off. They got good Wi-Fi. I like it. They're nice though. Not one ever kicked me off. If I ever passed out on their chairs or their benches, not one ever shooed me away. Shoo, fly. So they're nice. And one day blessed me with some snacks and goodie bags. So kudos to Starbucks. Just can we get some Wi-Fi, please? Maybe I should change my vlogs too. I don't know. I always say my journey. I hate when I'm trying to smoke, people just pull up. Like, where the fuck y'all come from? It's like a radar. Like, fucking shit. This god darn matrix programming. God dang it. You took the red pill and blue pill. Shit. Mix that shit up, broken down, snore that bitch. Like, see? Hey, so I spoke to my foster mother. Told you I'm an orphan, but I wish they got adopted by the kingdom of heaven, spiritual family up above. God bless. So my earthly mother is now my foster mother, which is always we all have earth plans, but it is all up to you to be awakened and enlightened to it. It's all about awakening and enlightening two different things. You awaken, boom, you get enlightened, but you don't get both just by doing it yourself. You have to have favor in the Lord, in the Lord. You have favor. Anywho, with that being said, my foster mother, with my daughter, I bumped into her and she's like, so I heard, I think I said this already, but I want to say it again. It makes me happy, and so it makes my heart that I don't have go boom, 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 boom. I wear my heart on my sleeve, literally. Look, it's literally on my sleeve. It's my heart. See it? It's broken with a band-aid, stitches. Yeah. But she was like, so I heard that you was transitioned into a man. Who told you that? I don't even speak to you, woman. Just pray for you. I don't speak to you. Who told you that great news? I didn't tell her that. So my foster mother said, I heard you transition into a man. I'm not transitioning to a man. In times, everyone will go to their original state of being, original orange state, or whatever they are. If you're alien, you're going to go back to your alien family. If you belong in heaven, you're going to go back to heaven. If you belong in hell, you're going to stay right here. Um, it's all about soul traveling. That's all we're doing, soul traveling. Uh, Everybody will have an opportunity to make the heaven, but everybody will not make it. So I like to clarify that because I can't stand when people be on the radio or be prophesizing or be at church and say everyone will make it to heaven. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. That is not true. It's not true. Hey, do you know that they have the word pleadings in the Holy Bible? What does that tell you? Aliens never left. So if pleadings in the Holy Bible, that means the aliens, some type of